Do not forget about your sock game. Your sock game is important. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. As we approach that festive period, I felt like suggesting some potential gift ideas for any sneakerheads in your lives, whether that be a family member, a friend, a colleague, etc. All these items I'm about to mention are things any sneakerhead will appreciate as a Christmas gift or just as a gift in general. With all that out of the way, let's get into the first gift. I wish I had known about shoe trees a lot sooner because they're one of the best purchases you can make if you are someone who is into sneakers. These things will help maintain the shape of your sneakers, meaning your prized possessions can last a lot longer, holding up that correct shape. A sneaker game changer, but it's also very friendly on the wallet. On the topic of looking after your sneakers, that brings us nicely onto the next gift idea, sneaker cleaner kits. Like car owners spending money on cleaning supplies to wash their cars, sneakerheads need to own some sort of cleaning kit to clean their sneakers. There are many brands out there for you to choose from, but if you are to purchase a kit, make sure it includes the basics like a cleaning solution and some sort of brush that works well on different materials. I recently reviewed the Crep Protect Ultimate Cleaning Shoe Care Kit on my Fragments to Kai LD Waffles and was very impressed with that kit. A link to that video can be found in the description. The joy of wearing your favorite sneakers is unmatched at times, but that experience can always be improved with a pair of comfortable insoles. As nice as some sneakers may look, we can all admit some do not match their looks when it comes to the comfort. Applying a comfort specialized insole to your sneakers can really do the trick, especially if you're someone who wears your sneakers for long periods throughout the day. Most of my sneakers actually have insoles in them, and from my personal experience, it has made a huge difference. If there's one thing you take away from this video, then let it be this. Calling out all sneakerheads. Do not forget about your sock game. Your sock game is important. It might not seem like much, but a good pair of socks can add to a pair of sneakers. Some of my favorite socks right now are Hidden in Y and Cortez. The good thing about branded socks is that they're usually the cheapest items a brand will usually offer, so even if you are shopping at these designer brands, their socks won't be as expensive compared to other items that brands may have to offer. Books about sneakers are a great gift idea because they're essentially two gifts in one. Firstly, the person receiving the book can actually read the book and be blessed with the content from the book. Secondly, after reading the book, it can act as a piece of art for the person's room, whether it be placed on the shelf or as a coffee table book. A sneaker book I own is the Virgil Abloh Something's Off, which you can find on my channel, link in the description. It was great to understand the thought process and actually see early designs of the original Off-White 10, and now it can serve its purpose as a coffee table book, even though I don't drink coffee. So there we have it, 5 great gift ideas for sneakerheads. My question for you is, what gift would you want as a sneakerhead, but it cannot be a pair of sneakers? Let me know in the comment section down below. You can also find links to some of the items I suggested in the description, just to give you a head start with your gift searching. Be sure to leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and why not catch me on Instagram at edmundokpala. All support is truly appreciated. Thank you for checking out this video today, and I will see you in the next one. As always, stay blessed.